Hey everyone, we're back in the basement again. I've got Pig, and you've got my wife, and of course you've got me, the owner of Rad Relics, and we are going to be showing you guys a bunch of really cool stuff we sold today. Holy cow, I got in a game buy the other day. I paid like $300 plus a $70 game to boot, and we sold almost every video game I think we listed from that buy. So we're going to go through all of the really neat stuff that we got. We're going to start off with the item that Judah has here. This is a Sonoma. It's a 4x4 model. It's partially put together. How much did this sell for?
$17 plus shipping.
$17 plus shipping. That's pretty amazing. The next item that we have here is a vintage Atari game. It is called Frontline. It's for the Atari 2600. And how much did it sell for?
It was $5 plus shipping.
$5 plus shipping. The next item that we have here is a 3D collection, the Soupy Sales. Never heard of it before. We sold it for how much?
$20 plus shipping.
$20 plus shipping. I was not expecting that. I'm kind of shocked. The next item that we have here is an R.L. Stine. It's one of those Fear Street books. Absolutely love the R.L. Stine books. This is called The New Boy. And how much did it sell for?
$9 free shipping.
$9 and free shipping. We have a Yale lock with a key. We're going to see if it works.
That's the one that's a little hard, but it does work.
She says it's
there
we go.
Yeah.
We got it to open. We're showing you on camera that this actually works. And how much did it sell for?
$27 plus shipping.
$27 plus shipping. Love selling locks. That's absolutely awesome. The next item that we have here is a remote control. It is missing the bottom. Does need a little bit of work. How much did we sell it for?
$10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping. The next item that we have here is the Word of God. We've got one of these Holy Bibles, the New Open Bible. It's a New King James Version. Super nice. How much did we sell it for?
$25 plus shipping.
$25 plus shipping. That's fantastic. Oh my gosh, we're selling a ton of stuff. The next item that we have here is a Donkey Kong Nintendo. It's an Atari game made by Nintendo. How much did it sell for?
$4 plus shipping.
$4 plus shipping. Not a whole lot, but it's still going to go to a good home. The next item that we have here, I paid 50 bucks for this the other day. Somebody messaged me. They know I buy video game stuff. I bought it for 50 bucks and we sold it for $130 plus shipping. It's a 3DS. Comes with the case, charger, a game, and there is an SD card in there, but I did not include that in the listing. It's just a little bonus sprinkled on top. The next item that we have here is a poster. It was the guy that played in Taxi. He was the heartthrob. What was his name?
Jeff Conaway.
Jeff Conaway. Poster. Really nice. I love whenever I ship posters that are folded up like this. I love getting these plastic protectors to put them in. How much did it sell for?
$13.45 plus shipping.
$13.45 plus shipping on top. The next item that we have here is this knife. It's a knife. We bought it, and how much did it sell for?
$8.21 plus shipping.
$8.21. I probably paid $1 or $2 for it. Probably more like 50 cents, or it came out of a storage locker. Who knows? We've had it listed forever. The next item that we have here is Mario Sunshine for Nintendo GameCube. It is one of the games that came in on the deal. How much did it sell for?
$44 plus shipping.
$44 plus shipping. That is awesome. The next item that we have here is this Sony Handycam. It is one of the ones that have the night vision. It will not eject tapes. It just plays. And how much did it sell for?
$20 plus
$20 plus shipping. The next item that we have, this is pretty amazing. This will have to be shipped in a box. This is NCAA Football 14. This is one of the big items that came in on that video game buy. You need to be looking for this one in the wild. It's sold for $140 bucks.
Yep.
$140 plus shipping on top. NCAA Football 2014. Okay, the next item that we have here is the Nintendo Wii Super Mario Bros. For the Wii. This is neat. Something to look for when you're selling these games is to make sure that it has the book inside of it. If you do, that's called Complete in Box, and it brings a premium on eBay. $19 plus shipping is what that sold for. The next item that we have here is this Jane's World War II fighter. This is what they call a big box. This is a computer game. It's for like Windows 98. Super collectible. These games are. How much did it sell for?
$9 plus shipping.
$9 plus shipping. I guess it ain't that collectible. They only paid $9 for it. The next item that we have here is this super cool old doll. I'm not going to pull her completely out of the bag. That's what she looks like. It's an old bisque style doll, old baby doll. How much did it sell for?
$60 plus shipping.
$60 plus shipping. That is freaking fantastic. This is a really cool find. It is a Nintendo. It's a top loader. I bought this for, it came in that deal, a deal that I made the other day. A guy came in, brought me some games, and said he wanted $40 for it. I didn't know if this worked or not. I wasn't sure how much it sold for. So I said, you know what, I'll give you $80. And my wife hates it when I give more money than what the people want, but you got to do right by people. Not saying that she's not going to do right by people, but she's just a little bit different than me. But anyways, long story short, I ended up selling this for how much?
$90 plus shipping.
$90 plus shipping. It didn't work, and it's just the box. So that's not too bad. I'll take $90 for a broken video game all day long. The next item that we have here is this Plymouth Roadrunner sign. That's super cool. I bought these from Hobby Lobby when they were on clearance. They were like 90% off. So I ended up buying a bunch of this stuff, and I paid like I said, this was $22. I probably paid $3 for it. How much did it sell for?
$18 plus shipping.
$18 plus shipping. Next item that we have here is probably the most famous Nintendo 64 game ever. It's GoldenEye. How much did we sell this for?
That one was $25.05.
$25.05 plus shipping on top. The next item that we have here is the Legend of Zelda, the gold cartridge. It is in pretty decent shape. Some of the gold will wear off on these. This one's pretty decent. And I had $29 because I was going to stick it in the store, but how much did it sell for?
$2.95.
$2.90. No.
Oh, no, never mind. Sorry, we were looking at the wrong thing.
No.
That one was $22.95.
$22.95.
I was on to the next thing already.
Yeah. I do pick up Magic the Gathering cards because sometimes it's like a gamble. It's like buying a scratch off. If you buy 100 of them, if you get the right ones, that you can actually find some really fantastic stuff in there. And I didn't find any of that fantastic stuff with the last couple that I bought, but I did find some stuff that I can list on eBay and make a little bit of money. And this is the Sanguine, Sanguine Bond. And how much did it sell for?
$2.95.
$2.95. So, wow. But it ships cheap because we can send it through that eBay shipping program where you can ship stuff for like 50 cents or $1. Next item that we have here is the Atari Starship. That's super cool. Love that. Love the old Atari game. How much did it sell for?
$7 plus shipping.
$7 plus shipping. Next item that we have here is the Lone Ranger. This is a pretty rare game. This is part of that $80 NES buy that came into the store the other day. And how much did we sell it for?
That one is $66.45.
$66.45 for the Lone Ranger. It also doesn't hurt that it has a super cool Nintendo sleeve that comes with it. That helps sell it. Those are really hard to find. The next item that we have here is a pair of these Chandra's Ignition. I'm horrible at reading. Sold 2 of them. How much did they sell for?
$11.90.
$11.90 for 2 of these cards. I love it. The next item that we have here is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, The Manhattan Project. Another good Nintendo game that came in. How much did it sell for?
$37 plus shipping.
$37 plus shipping. Absolutely love that. We've got another Magic the Gathering card. It's called All Is Dust. Super cool. Gold card. If you look here, it'll tell you like it'll be gold, or if it's like a really dark copper color, that's a mythic. And those are the ones you kind of want to look out for. Some of them shine. They're real shimmery, like if you dump oil in a creek. Not that you should do that, but if you've been watching the news, all them chemical spills, if you see that, that means stay away. But with Magic the Gathering cards, it means buy it because it could be worth a bunch of money. But they call them foils or holographic cards or whatever. How much did this sell for?
$6.95.
$6.95 shipped. The next item that we have here is this really cool AC Delco. AC, it's a spark plug gapper. And if you know what it is, you know what it is. How much did it sell for?
$5 plus shipping.
$5 plus shipping. We've got a set of Rock and Roll Reunion CDs. How much did they sell for?
$6 plus shipping.
$6 plus shipping. This is a quick video. This is just rapid fire of fire items that we've sold. This is Super Mario Galaxy for the Wii. And how much did it sell for?
$10 plus shipping.
This was a really nice copy of this. It had all the books in it. Not scratched up. Was pretty awesome. Absolutely love it. And that's fine. The next item that we have here is this Uniden scanner. I bought this off of a high bid auction. It came in and it's broke. It didn't work. I didn't have a power adapter to really try it, so we ended up selling it for like 12 bucks plus shipping, get my money back out of it. I think I paid like $5-6. Is that everything?
Yeah.
That is everything that we sold. That was an 11-minute video of just rapid fire. So if you like this kind of content, if you like these items, if you want to make a comment about anything down below, it would be a good time to ask any questions. We appreciate you guys for watching. God bless you guys. Keep on picking, keep on digging, and as always, the family that picks together, she knew, she turned her head. What do?
They stick together.
That's right.